Xiaomi appears to be working on the 15T and 15T Pro, the successors to the Xiaomi 14T lineup. Redmi K80 Ultra is expected to launch globally as the Xiaomi 15T Pro later in the year. Color variants: Spruce Green, Ice Peak Blue, Moon Rock White, and Sandstone Gray. The 15T series is expected to launch with a 6.83-inch, 1.5K plus resolution display featuring a 144Hz refresh rate, peak brightness up to 3200 nits. The 15T Pro feature MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset. Setup centers around 40mm dynamic drive and Android 15. A 50-megapixel OmniVision OVX9100 main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 telephoto camera. A large 5500 mAh battery pack. This device support 90W wired fast charging. Global pricing and release timelines for the Xiaomi 15T series remain unconfirmed. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.